Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on an LG Smart TV step by step. So Roblox doesn't have a native app for the web OS, the LG Smart TV operating system, so you need to cast or screen mirror it from another device like a phone, tablet, or laptop. So 1. Check your TV. Make sure your LG Smart TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Make sure it supports screen share or Miracast or AirPlay. Most LG TVs do. So 2. Install Roblox. Install Roblox on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Log into your Roblox account. Number 3. Connect your device and TV to the same Wi-Fi. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi network for casting or screen mirroring. Number 4. Start screen share. Option A, from an Android phone or a Windows laptop. Open Screen Share or Miracast on your LG TV. You'll find this in the input or connection settings. On your phone, laptop, select Cast or Smart View or Project to this PC or Windows. Select your LG TV from the list of available devices. Option B, from an iPhone, iPad, or MacBook. Make sure AirPlay is turned on in your LG TV settings. Swipe down to open the control center on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Screen Mirroring. Select your LG TV. On Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Select your LG TV. Number 5. Launch Roblox. Open the Roblox app on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Start the game you want to play. The video and audio should appear on your LG TV. Number 6. Connect the controller. It's optional for a better experience. Pair a Bluetooth game controller with your phone, tablet, or laptop if your game supports it. Some games might be harder to play with touch only. Number 7. Enjoy. Play Roblox on a big screen. Control the game for your device. Tip: the performance depends on your Wi-Fi speed and your device's battery. Use a stable connection and keep your device plugged in if possible. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.